Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the exciting world of woodworking as both a creative outlet and a viable business opportunity. In this guide, we delve into innovative wood furniture and decor ideas that can not only revamp living spaces, but also provide a pathway for woodworkers to generate income. As the demand for unique, handcrafted items continues to rise, now is the perfect time to harness your skills and creativity to meet this market appetite. From understanding your target audience and staying ahead of home decor trends to leveraging social media and crafting personalized, multifunctional pieces, we will guide you through essential strategies and insights. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker looking to expand your business horizons or a passionate beginner eager to turn your hobby into a revenue-generating venture, this resource will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive. Join us as we embark on this journey to blend artistry with entrepreneurship, exploring how you can transform raw materials into stunning creations that resonate with consumers and enhance their living environments. If you've enjoyed watching this video so far, we truly appreciate your support. Your engagement means a lot to us, and it helps us continue creating valuable content that resonates with our audience. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on the exciting insights and creative ideas we have to share. We encourage you to stick around until the end of the video, as we have some fantastic additional information and tips that you won't want to miss. Your feedback is invaluable, so feel free to leave comments or questions below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for being part of our community, and let's dive deeper into the world of woodworking together. Introduction to woodworking as a business. Woodworking has evolved from a hobby into a viable business opportunity, thanks to the growing demand for handcrafted, unique items. Consumers increasingly seek products that reflect their individuality and style, making it an ideal time for woodworkers to enter the market. By combining artistry with functionality, woodworkers can create pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also enhance the aesthetic of living spaces. Understanding your target market. To succeed, you must understand who your customers are. Conduct market research to identify potential buyers based on demographics like age, income level, lifestyle, and preferences. Are they young families looking for durable furniture, or are they urban professionals interested in minimalist designs? Tailoring your offerings to meet the specific needs and desires of your target market can significantly increase your chances of success. Trends in home decor. Keeping abreast of current trends in home decor is crucial for any woodworker. Popular styles such as mid-century modern, rustic farmhouse, and industrial chic can inform your design choices. Additionally, incorporating elements like sustainable materials or multifunctional pieces can align your products with consumer interests, ensuring they resonate with potential buyers. Designing multifunctional furniture. Consumers appreciate furniture that serves multiple purposes, especially in smaller living spaces. Design pieces that can transform or adapt to various needs, like a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit or an ottoman that serves as extra seating. This not only maximizes space, but also showcases your creativity and understanding of modern living. Customization as a selling point. In today's market, customization is key. Offering personalized options allows customers to choose specific wood types, finishes, and dimensions that fit their home decor. This level of personalization can lead to higher customer satisfaction and increased loyalty, as buyers feel a connection to the unique pieces they own. Utilizing reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is a popular choice among environmentally conscious consumers. By sourcing salvaged wood, you can create beautiful, sustainable furniture that tells a story and reduces waste. Market these pieces as eco-friendly alternatives that contribute to a greener planet, appealing to customers who prioritize sustainability. Marketing through social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are powerful tools for showcasing your work. Share high-quality images of your furniture and decor pieces, along with behind-the-scenes glimpses of your crafting process. Engaging content can help build a loyal following, attract new customers, and enhance your brand visibility. Building an online store. An online presence is essential for reaching a broader audience. Consider setting up an e-commerce site or using platforms like Etsy or Shopify to sell your products. An online store allows you to showcase your portfolio, manage orders, and interact with customers, making it easier for potential buyers to discover and purchase your creations. Crafting unique selling propositions, USP. Your unique selling proposition, USP, is what differentiates your products from competitors. It could be your commitment to sustainable practices, the use of high-quality materials, or a distinctive design aesthetic. Clearly communicating your USP in your marketing materials can attract customers who align with your values and appreciate your craftsmanship. Networking with interior designers. Building relationships with interior designers can open up new opportunities for your woodworking business. Designers often seek custom pieces for their projects, and by networking within this community, you can secure contracts and referrals. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and reach out to local designers to establish connections. Hosting workshops. Consider hosting woodworking workshops to share your skills and knowledge with others. This not only generates additional income, but also fosters a community around your brand. Workshops can attract potential customers who may later purchase your products or recommend you to their networks. Creating seasonal collections. Design seasonal collections that reflect holidays or special occasions, such as Christmas, Halloween, or summer. These limited-time offerings can create excitement and urgency, encouraging customers to purchase unique items that enhance their seasonal decor. Participating in craft fairs. Local craft fairs provide an excellent platform for exposure and direct sales. Set up a booth to showcase your furniture and decor pieces, engage with customers, and gather immediate feedback. Events like these can help you build a local customer base and establish your reputation within the community. Collaborating with local businesses. Form partnerships with local businesses, such as coffee shops, boutiques, or home decor stores, to display your products. This can enhance your visibility and reach new audiences who may not have discovered your brand otherwise. Cross-promotion is a powerful marketing strategy that benefits both parties. Crafting storytelling around your products. Customers are increasingly drawn to products with a story. Share the inspiration behind your designs, the materials you use, and the techniques involved in creating your pieces. Storytelling can create an emotional connection with consumers, making them more likely to choose your products over others. Leveraging customer testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave testimonials and reviews on your website and social media. Positive feedback serves as social proof and can significantly influence potential buyers' decisions. Case studies or before and after photos can also showcase the impact of your work. Implementing SEO strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO, is key to increasing your online visibility. Research relevant keywords related to woodworking, furniture design, and home decor, and incorporate them into your website content. This can help attract organic traffic and potential customers searching for your products. Exploring niche markets. Consider focusing on niche markets, such as pet furniture, children's furniture, or office decor. Specializing in a specific area allows you to become an expert in that field, catering to specific customer needs and preferences, which can lead to increased demand. Creating instructional content. Develop instructional content, such as blog posts or video tutorials, to share woodworking tips and insights. This positions you as an authority in your field and can attract potential customers who appreciate your expertise. Educational content can also drive traffic to your website and enhance engagement. Diversifying your product range. Expand your product offerings beyond furniture to include smaller decor items like wall art, serving boards, or decorative boxes. This diversification can attract a wider audience and provide additional revenue streams, especially during gift-giving seasons. Emphasizing quality craftsmanship. Highlight the quality of your craftsmanship in your marketing materials. Provide details about the materials you use, the techniques employed, and the care taken in creating each piece. Customers are often willing to pay more for well-made, durable products that reflect their values. Using influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in the home decor or DIY space to promote your products. Influencers can introduce your brand to new audiences and provide authentic endorsements that resonate with their followers. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand for maximum impact. Creating limited edition pieces. Limited edition items can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity among customers. Promote these pieces as unique offerings that won't last long, encouraging quick sales and enhancing your brand's desirability. Engaging in email marketing. Build an email list to communicate directly with customers. Share updates on new products, promotions, and upcoming events to keep your audience engaged. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to nurture relationships and drive repeat business. Providing exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service can lead to repeat business and referrals. Make it a priority to address customer inquiries promptly and resolve any issues they may encounter. A positive shopping experience can turn one-time customers into loyal advocates for your brand. Exploring sustainable practices. Adopting sustainable practices in your woodworking process can attract eco-conscious consumers. Consider using non-toxic finishes, sourcing materials responsibly, and minimizing waste. Highlighting these practices in your marketing can enhance your brand's reputation. Understanding pricing strategies. Research various pricing strategies to ensure your products are competitively priced. Consider factors such as materials, labor, and overhead costs when setting prices. Understanding your market and the perceived value of your products will help you price them effectively. Showcasing your work at home shows. Participating in home and garden shows allows you to reach homeowners interested in revamping their spaces. This exposure can lead to direct sales, valuable contacts, and increased brand awareness in your local community. Utilizing high-quality imagery. Investing in professional photography can significantly enhance your online presence. High-quality images showcase your products in the best light, attracting potential customers and making your brand appear more polished and credible. Offering loyalty programs. Implementing a loyalty program can reward repeat customers and encourage continued patronage. Consider offering discounts, exclusive access to new products, or special promotions to loyal customers to foster a sense of community around your brand. Creating DIY kits. Offering DIY woodworking kits can attract customers who enjoy hands-on projects. These kits can be marketed as fun activities for families or individuals, tapping into the growing trend of DIY home improvement and crafting. Establishing a strong brand identity. Develop a cohesive brand identity that reflects your values and aesthetic. This includes creating a memorable logo, consistent packaging, and a clear messaging strategy. A strong brand identity helps build trust and recognition among consumers. Utilizing local resources. Sourcing materials locally not only supports your community, but can also enhance your brand's appeal. Promote your use of local resources as part of your commitment to sustainability and community support, which can resonate with customers. Engaging with online communities. Joining online forums and social media groups related to woodworking can provide valuable insights and promote your brand organically. Engaging with these communities allows you to share knowledge, learn from others, and attract potential customers through authentic interactions. Offering gift options. Creating gift sets or options for special occasions can attract buyers looking for unique and thoughtful gifts. Highlighting these options during holidays or special events can boost sales and increase visibility for your brand. Creating educational partnerships. Partnering with schools or community centers to offer educational programs can enhance your reputation and create future customers. Teaching woodworking skills can inspire a new generation of woodworkers and promote your business within the community. Exploring international markets. Consider expanding your business to international markets. With the power of e-commerce, you can reach customers worldwide, increasing your sales potential. Research shipping options, regulations, and market preferences to effectively enter new markets. Utilizing crowdfunding platforms. If you have a unique project idea, consider using crowdfunding platforms to raise capital. This can also serve as a way to gauge interest in your product before launching it, helping you refine your offerings based on feedback. Staying adaptable. The woodworking market is constantly evolving. Staying adaptable is crucial for long-term success. Be open to new trends, technologies, and consumer preferences, and continuously seek ways to innovate and improve your products. Your path to success. By combining creativity with strategic marketing and business practices, woodworkers can not only revamp living spaces, but also create a sustainable income. Embrace innovation, storytelling, and community engagement to build a thriving woodworking business that resonates with customers and stands the test of time. If you've enjoyed watching this video so far, we truly appreciate your support. Your engagement means a lot to us, and it helps us continue creating valuable content that resonates with our audience. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on the exciting insights and creative ideas we have to share. We encourage you to stick around until the end of the video, as we have some fantastic additional information and tips that you won't want to miss. Your feedback is invaluable, so feel free to leave comments or questions below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for being part of our community, and let's dive deeper into the world of woodworking together.